Another way you can add color to your cakes is to paint luster dust onto your pipe decorations. So this has been chilling. This is nice and firm. You want to make sure your ruffles are really firm, not soft at all. And I've mixed some luster dust with my alcohol. And I want this mixture to be pretty thick. I don't want a thin mixture because it won't be as visible. So once I have a nice thick paint, and you can see the difference if you have too much liquid, it's really thin and shiny and kind of looks like the luster dust is just floating in the alcohol, but you want an actual paint. And you can And it's definitely optional, but I just think it gives it a really pretty kind of chic look. And you can also, carry the silver luster dust onto the other tiers of your cake and just small details to make it all kind of uniform and look like it's part of the cake. So then I'm just going to continue on painting the rest of these ruffles and refrigerating my cake again.